how to add transitions in a sequence in Adobe Premiere Pro. Go to Effects, Video Transitions, and you have a ton of transitions here, from 3D motion, dissolve, immerse, iris, page peel, slide, wipe, and zoom. These are all the transitions that are currently available on Adobe Premiere Pro. And so all you do, let's say you want a dissolve between these two clips, you just drag the dissolve and you bring it here. And that will create this really weird dissolve. Now you don't necessarily want to use it for that, so for here you'll use maybe something like that. If it's red, that means it needs to be rendered. So you press an in point and you press enter and it's rendering your files, which means it's making a copy of your file that can be viewed on your timeline. You can use cross zoom. I use that a lot. So you need to render again. And as you can see, this is a little bit slow. So you can grab the sides and squeeze them. You can bring it on one end so that it does one side, or you bring it into the other end to let it know where it starts and finishes. This is a little bit short. So you change that. You can double click on it and it gives you the exact duration of the transition. So if you push, that means like that. When you go to effect, it tells you on which side you want to push. You have a lot of details on every one of those transitions. So you drag your transition into the clip. If it turns red, that means you need to render. So you put an in and out, you press render, you make sure that it goes through its process, and then you look at the transition. If it doesn't feel right, just get rid of it. It's not good. You have a whole bunch of transitions in Premiere Pro. Go for it. You can also download some plugins. You want the viewer not to be distracted, so you don't want to do 1,000 different transitions and drag in everything that's available into your timeline. Most of the time, you'll just pick one or two in a particular video. Make sure your transitions do a smooth, invisible flow from one clip to the next. This is part of my 10-step video editing workflow in Premiere Pro from start to finish. The complete video is available at Katia's Buzz TV. My 10 steps are: number 1, create the media. I'm going to show you how to create the content of your video. Number 2, how to create a new project in Premiere Pro. Number 3, import and organize your files. 4, create a new sequence. 5, adjust the audio. 6, color correction. 7, add titles and graphics. 8, add transitions. 9, review your project and render all. 10, export. And we're done! So thank you very much for coming back to Katia's Buzz. I hope you really enjoy using Premiere Pro. You're going to do some amazing projects, I guarantee you. Do not be afraid if you just started. It takes time, but it's really fun. So if you enjoy editing video, you're going to be a pro in no time. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. It's a lot of fun. It's awesome. I will see you around. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, press like if you like this video, and please don't hesitate to leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. There will be more videos coming with more in detail on all the different aspects of Premiere Pro. This program is really powerful and really intricate, and there is a lot to be learned. So make sure you come back to this channel to learn how to use Premiere Pro very well. Have a beautiful day. I will see you around.